Looking for the ultimate fat tire electric bike in 2026? Whether you want speed, off-road power, long battery life, or an all-terrain adventure machine, today we're counting down the top 5 fat tire e-bikes that are dominating the market this year. Welcome to Global Deal Explorer. Let's ride into the countdown. Starting our list at number 5 is the Cybervelo Mars700, a practical and versatile folding electric bike designed for riders who want portability without sacrificing power. This e-bike comes equipped with a 1,000-watt motor and a large removable 20-amp battery, delivering strong acceleration and impressive range for daily commuting or weekend trail rides. The 20-inch fat tires provide excellent grip on sand, snow, dirt, and rough pavement, making it a reliable all-terrain option. One of the standout features is its folding frame design, perfect for apartment living, RV travelers, or anyone with limited storage space. For buyers looking for a compact but capable e-bike, the Mars700 offers excellent value and convenience. At number 4, we have the Bodywel M16, a stylish mini fat tire electric bike built for fun, agility, and urban adventure. Powered by a strong 1,500-watt motor and paired with a 48-volt 15.6 Ah battery, this bike delivers exciting acceleration and smooth off-road performance. Its compact 16-inch fat tires give the bike a unique motorcycle-inspired appearance while maintaining stability on rough terrain. The Bodywel M16 is ideal for younger riders, city commuters, and outdoor enthusiasts who want a lightweight yet powerful riding experience. It may be compact, but this e-bike definitely packs serious power. Taking the number 3 spot is the Cybervelo EK4 folding e-bike, one of the most balanced fat tire e-bikes of 2026. This machine combines power, range, and portability into one impressive package. Equipped with a 1,000-watt motor and a massive 48-volt 20 Ah battery, the EK4 can reach speeds of over 30 miles per hour while offering up to 80 miles of riding range under ideal conditions. The 20-inch fat tires and 7-speed gear system allow riders to confidently tackle steep hills, gravel roads, beaches, and snow-covered trails. Add in the foldable frame, and you get an electric bike that's perfect for commuters and adventure seekers alike. Coming in at number 2 is the powerful Xtion electric mountain bike, an aggressive all-terrain machine built for riders who crave speed and excitement. This e-bike stands out with an incredible top speed of up to 37 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest bikes on today's list. Its dual suspension system absorbs bumps with ease, creating a smooth and stable ride across rocky trails, sand, dirt, and uneven terrain. The fat tire setup delivers exceptional traction and control, while the LCD display keeps all your ride data visible at a glance. For thrill seekers and off-road riders, the Xtion offers a premium high-performance riding experience. And finally, taking the number 1 spot on our list is the Kickwey LD20, the ultimate fat tire electric bike of 2026. This beast combines raw power, premium design, long-range capability, and all-terrain versatility into one outstanding package. Featuring a powerful 1,500-watt motor and a large 48-volt 20 Ah battery, the LD20 delivers speeds up to 32 miles per hour with impressive riding endurance. Its motorcycle-inspired frame design gives it an aggressive premium look, while the 20-inch fat tires provide maximum stability and traction on almost any surface. Whether you're commuting, exploring trails, or riding off-road adventures, the Kickwey LD20 offers one of the best overall experiences in today's electric bike market. Powerful, stylish, and built for adventure, this is our top pick for 2026. So, which fat tire electric bike would you choose in 2026? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews and global deals. Thanks for watching Global Deal Explorer, and we'll see you in the next adventure.